Black diamonds, also known as carbonado, are among the rarest and most mysterious types of diamonds. Their deep black color, extreme hardness, and unusual structure make them unique, but they are also heavily imitated by synthetic stones and black cubic zirconia. If you want to know whether your black stone is a real black diamond, this guide will show you the best and safest home tests. Number 1. Scratch test, hardness test. Real diamonds have a hardness of 10 on the Mohs scale, making them extremely difficult to scratch. How to do it? Take a piece of glass or a mirror. Gently drag the stone across the surface. A real black diamond will scratch the glass easily without being damaged. Important note, some synthetic stones might scratch glass, but not as strongly as a real diamond. Number 2. Light test. Black diamonds are so dense that they do not allow light to pass through. How to do it? Hold the stone under a strong flashlight or phone light. Try shining the light behind or beneath the stone. If no light passes through, this is normal for real black diamond. Tip: black cubic zirconia may show small light leaks around the edges. Number 3. Heat resistance test, thermal shock test. Carbonado can withstand high temperatures without cracking. How to do it? Heat the stone using a lighter or flame for 8 to 10 seconds. Immediately drop it into cold water. A real black diamond will not crack or change. Warning: do not try this on stones you suspect are glass. Glass will crack. Number 4. Density and weight test. Real black diamonds are heavier than many imitation stones. How to do it? Hold the stone and compare its weight with another stone of the same size. Real diamond often feels heavier and more solid. Number 5. Magnification test, texture test. Black diamonds have a natural irregular texture. How to do it? Use a jeweler's loupe or phone macro lens. Real carbonado shows tiny pits, natural grain patterns, no perfect smooth surface. Fake stones often appear too smooth or glassy. Number 6. Water drop test. Diamond surfaces are highly repellent. How to do it? Place a tiny drop of water on the stone. If the water stays as a perfect round droplet, the surface is diamond-like. If it spreads quickly, it may be fake. Conclusion: testing a real black diamond at home is possible using simple methods like the scratch test, light test, heat resistance, and magnification. For 100% certainty, a professional jeweler can verify the stone with advanced tools, but these home tests will give you a strong indication.